Thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025? This is your roadmap. I'll break down how to launch your channel, grow an audience, and start making money, even if you're starting from zero. Watch till the end, you won't want to miss this.
Think YouTube is too saturated in 2025? Think again. With AI tools, rising micro-communities, and massive demand for niche content, this is your window. From shorts to smart tutorials, creators are thriving in ways we've never seen before.
Ever wondered how to find your niche? Let's dive into Chapter 3, Finding Your Niche. Rule of passion plus profit. Gaming, finance, or lifestyle. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or Google Trends for keyword research. Case study. A small channel blew up by targeting hidden niches. Imagine VR fitness for seniors, a game changer. Ready to find your niche and grow your channel? Welcome to Chapter 4, Channel Setup. Let's get your YouTube channel up and running. First, create a Google account. It's your gateway to YouTube Studio. Next, head over to YouTube Studio and start with branding. Add your logo and banner. Optimize your channel name. Keep it short and keyword-rich, no spaces. Craft a compelling, keyword-rich description to attract viewers. Pro tip: use Canva to design eye-catching thumbnails and banners for free, and there you have it. Your channel is set up and ready to shine. Remember, a well-branded channel is the first step to success. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the next chapter. Welcome to Chapter 5, Equipment on a Budget. Let's start with the basics. A smartphone, a $20 mower, lavalier mic, and natural lighting. These essentials will get you rolling without breaking the bank. When you're ready to upgrade, consider a ring light, DSLR, or Elgato for streaming. For editing, AI tools like CapCut and Descript are your best friends. With these tools, you'll create content that looks and sounds professional. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to make great videos. Start small, dream big, and let your creativity shine. Hook. Ever wondered how to make your first video stand out? Problem: you hit record, but it feels overwhelming. Solution: start with a simple script. Hook, problem, solution, CTA. CTA, ready to create? Hit publish and share your story. Recording tips: speak slowly, use pauses, and ensure 1080p quality. Avoid this mistake. Don't obsess over perfection, just publish.
Welcome to Chapter 8, Thumbnails that Click. Here's the formula: close-up face, bold text, and contrasting colors. Let's compare no-click example versus click-worthy example. Notice the difference? It's all in the details. And the best part? You can create these with free tools. Try Canva or Photopea to make your thumbnails pop. Remember, a great thumbnail is your first impression, so make it count and watch those clicks roll in. Let's dive into Chapter 9, Consistency and Schedule. Algorithm hack: post one video a week, not just one a month. Batch filming: knock out 4 videos in a single day. Use a tracker template, Google Sheets to log ideas and progress. Stay consistent and watch your channel grow. Welcome to Chapter 10, Growing Fast. Here's the game plan. Short strategy: post 3 to 5 times a week and funnel to long-form content. Next, collaborations. DM small creators in your niche. And don't forget Reddit and Quora. Share value, not links, to drive traffic. Ready to level up your content game? Let's make it happen. So, you want to monetize your channel? Let's break it down in 3 steps. Step 1. Hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, or 10M Shorts views in 90 days. Step 2. Dive into affiliate marketing with Amazon or Coursera. Step 3. Secure sponsorships using Collabsteer. Boom, you're on your way to making money. Y'all ready to level up? Let's get started. Ever feel like you're running on empty? Welcome to Chapter 12, Avoiding Burnout. Set goals that excite you. First 100 subs? Celebrate like you hit 1 million. Repurpose your content. Turn those videos into blogs or podcasts. Shift your mindset. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not Mr. Beast. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Keep going. You've got this. Welcome to Chapter 13, Advanced Tips. Want to boost your playlist watch time by 30%? Pin those comments to skyrocket engagement. And don't miss out on live Q&A sessions. It's all about building loyalty and community. Which tip are you trying first? Or did I just make you rethink your strategy? Be honest.
Welcome to Chapter 14, your next steps. This month, take on the 30-day challenge. Upload 4 videos and 20 shorts. Download the free checklist in the description to get started. Let's make this month your most creative yet.
As we wrap up Chapter 15, if you found this helpful, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to recommend this video to others. Drop a comment with your niche and subscribe for more growth hacks. See you in the next one.